even I had to make a long dedicated video for these products, as it's been almost consistent 4 to 5 years that I'm using these products and I'm still in love with them. I am talking about the brand Fix My Curls over here. I have almost all the variety, all the range of their products with me. This is the big size available. This is of 250 ml. If you'll ask me how long it lasts for, the shampoo bottle lasts for 6 months and the conditioner lasts for 3 months. So my always go-to ratio for the shampoo and conditioner is 1:2. 1 shampoo bottle and 2 conditioners for 6 months. Then comes these tubes, the small tubes, which are almost 50 gram. These are travel friendly, so I always have this too with me. And there is one more middle size for this product. This particular size, this is almost 100 gram. So this is the mid-range of 100 gram, this big tube size. Trust me, these two sizes are highly recommended when it comes to traveling. I'll quickly tell you about the sequence of these products. So very first goes this shampoo. So there are 2 shampoos. One is the cleansing shampoo and the other one is the moisturizing shampoo. So basically, in case if I just have to style my hair and the hair is not so greasy or dirty, I just go with the moisturizing shampoo. And in case if you have a quite built up, your hair is greasy and dirty, you go with the cleansing shampoo. This too is an either an or step that I follow. Either use a moisturizing shampoo or I'll use in cleansing shampoo. Post shampoo is done, I'll go with the deep conditioner, like the normal conditioners you work out with. Then comes the roll of these 2 tubes, that is a hair butter and a gel. Hair butter can be replaced with the leave-in cream as well. So again, either an or, either a hair butter or a leave-in cream, and then a gel. Okay, so this was the normal CG routine that we follow. Quick 4 steps: the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in cream and the gel. I also have these products with me, but I'll make a separate dedicated video for these products. All these products are going to finish soon, so here I am to show you all the end results of using these products. So yes, let's start. Okay, I'm going to keep it very quick and simple क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ठंड लग रही है, honestly. So yes, the very first step is this shampoo, which is quite very similar to the other shampoos that you use in your daily routine. The only thing extra that I do, not extra, I think many people would have been doing already, but yeah, what I do is I take a small amount of water in the mug and I pump some shampoo in it. It's almost finished. Okay, जुगाड़ करना पड़ेगा, I think so, but still, finally I got some. Okay, so after pumping the amount of shampoo you need, nicely emulsify it. Get this lather, this foamy kind of texture, and start applying. I'm quickly going to apply and come back. Okay, the first step is done. I am done shampooing my hair. Now comes the second step, that is conditioner. Have your hair quite drippy, take a good amount of conditioner and start applying. Again, conditioner is also finished. I usually prefer to use more amount of conditioner because my hair is very dry. I think अभी खोल के ही निकालना पड़ेगा. Yeah, it's almost finished. No. इतना भी खत्म नहीं हुआ था शायद. But ठीक है, I think I'll need this much. अच्छे से rub it on your hand and apply it to all of the length of your hair, especially the root part. Sorry, the tips part. Avoid the scalp area over here and start applying the conditioner. I'm almost done. At this point of stage, after applying the conditioner, I prefer to detangle my hair. I have this comb from Exo Curls. I use this for detangling my hair, and see how smooth the hair is detangled now. Can you see that? This way you evenly distribute the conditioner to all the hair length. Now at this stage, I am done shampooing, I am done applying the conditioner. I'll wait for next 10 minutes and then rinse off my hair. Now comes the step of the leave-in cream and gel. Now this is some kind of an extra step when it comes to curly hair. So what you have to do is, the first comes the leave-in cream or an hair butter. Take a small amount of cream. Okay. Now this leave-in cream stays in your hair. Both the steps, the leave-in cream and the gel, stays in your hair. You need not rinse it off. अच्छे से emulsify it and apply to your hair length. Here also you have to avoid the scalp area and apply it only onto your hair length part. Apply it with your praying hands and scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Now the very last step, that is the gel. Very same amount of gel. Again the same way of applying it. A bit on your hands, emulsify it, and I usually prefer this way only of applying. Get all your hair down and start applying in your praying hand motion. Can you see those clumps? Now here I am done with all the steps of CG method, and the only thing I wanted to tell you over here is, irrespective of the brand, all these steps remains the same. The only thing that differs is the quantity of the product you use. For an example, my hair is a little bit more dry in texture, so I prefer less shampoo, more conditioner. Then comes the role of leave-in cream and gel. When it comes to leave-in cream and gel, I use less amount of both of these products. Reason being, if I use more amount of leave-in cream, it weigh downs my curl, and in case if I'm using more amount of gel, it gives a very hard cast. And I am not fond of hard cast. I need those soft kind of curls. So this is my preference. This way, the only thing you wanted to experiment with is the quantity of the product you are using, irrespective of the brand, and the steps remains the same. Let me know if this helps you out, and stay tuned for the end results. Thank you. Bye. And these are the end results. As I mentioned, it never disappoints. You can see how good form of curls I have. Happy me.